Hi friends, welcome to TalentSprint. Fill in the blanks question type. Test your ability to choose the most effective word to fit the blank and complete the sentence meaningfully. In other words, it tests your understanding of words in a context. Now there are two patterns. The first pattern, a sentence with a single blank. The second pattern, a sentence with double blanks. Now there was an older pattern where there were two scenarios, and from the given options you were required to choose one word that fits both the scenarios. However, in the recent exams we haven't seen that pattern appear. The videos will show you various strategies that you can apply and make your job easy in choosing the most effective word to fit the blank. Strategies like paying attention to words before and after the blank, the preceding sentence, the following sentence, so you can choose associated words, otherwise words that go hand in hand, also called as collocations. We will also pay attention to keywords from the context, right? We will apply the concept of context clues. So there will be clues within the context that will also help us identify the right fit. Now, apart from this, we can also kind of look at if the sentence is giving us a positive or a negative meaning. So such strategies you will be able to apply by watching the videos. So let's get started and ace this particular question type. Hi friends, in this video we're going to look at fill in the blanks. Not single, not double, but triple blanks. Now usually you will find this pattern in GRE, GMAT, SAT, CAT, but if banks are in the mood to experiment, especially they've nowadays, if you see, they're constantly introducing new question patterns. So if they want to mirror that particular level, you're likely to encounter this pattern too in the exam, and I think it's important for us to be ready. So we're not surprised if at all we face this particular pattern in the exam. Now when it comes to triple blanks, the only challenge I feel you might face is pertaining to vocabulary, right? The words may not be simple, could be a little more complicated, complex words. That is the only thing that I see can hinder your comprehension of the overall text. But not to worry, we will still continue to apply strategies like, is the context giving us a positive or a negative meaning? Or, we can identify clue phrases, words in the context that will also help us arrive at the answer. So pretty much the same strategies that you are already familiar with when it comes to single blanks and double blanks, right? So you will still have to focus on words before and after the blank, right? To choose associated words, collocations, right? So let's get to our questions and understand, the approach for this particular pattern, triple blanks.